Hi, today I'm making a raspberry lemon cheese pie. This raspberry lemon treat is a very easy cold pie to make. You're going to begin with two 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese softened, a can of sweetened condensed milk, a third of a cup of lemon juice, and then we're going to also add raspberries. And so I'll talk about that in a minute, how many raspberries. But we're going to begin by mixing the cream cheese and the sweetened condensed milk. And then we're going to add the third cup of lemon juice. Next, we will fold in a half a cup of raspberries to the mixture. And then we'll transfer that to a pre-made graham cracker crust. We will top the pie with another eighth of a cup of raspberries, or more if you like. And then we're going to just smooth the pie and place the plastic container over the pie and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Once it's done, this is what it should look like covered. When you cut into it, you're able to see some of the raspberries. It has a wonderful lemony raspberry taste.